If you are struggling to manifest your desires and in search of the most effective technique, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to explain the 5 steps to manifesting any desire in just 3 days, based on the teachings of Neville Goddard. This technique is the most effective and powerful one I have ever come across, so make sure you watch this video to the end. These 5 steps will empower you to efficiently manifest any desire in just 3 days. And if you are a new viewer, then click the subscribe button to join our wonderful YouTube community. It's not always easy to manifest what you want, and many people struggle to make it work. If you're one of those people, don't worry. You're not alone. The good news is that there are some simple strategies you can use to overcome your struggles and start manifesting successfully in just 3 days. First, let's discuss the reasons why people don't manifest their desires and why they struggle to manifest their desires. After that, I will share with you the technique to manifest your desire in 3 days. One of the main reasons why people struggle to manifest is that they are not embodying the state of the wish being fulfilled. As Neville Goddard explains, it's not enough to simply affirm, think positively, or visualize your desires. You have to truly embody the feeling of already having what you want. This means that you need to shift your internal state to one of abundance and fulfillment rather than one of lack and scarcity. To do this, you first need to get clear on what it is that you truly desire. It's not enough to have a vague idea of what you want. You need to be specific and detailed about your desires. Write them down in a journal or a manifestation planner, and be as clear and specific as possible. This will help you to focus your energy and attention on your desires, and it will make it easier to embody the feeling of already having what you want. Once you've clarified your desires, you can start to work on embodying the feeling of already having them. One of the most effective ways to do this is through visualization. Close your eyes and visualize yourself already having what you desire. See yourself living the life you want, feeling the emotions that come with it, and experiencing the joy and fulfillment that come with having your desires manifest. Make your visualization as vivid and detailed as possible, and allow yourself to feel the emotions that come with it. Another reason people struggle to manifest their desire is that they don't practice gratitude. It's also important to cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for what you already have in your life. When you focus on the things you're grateful for, you shift your energy and attention to a positive, abundant state. This makes it easier to embody the feeling of already having what you want, and it can also attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. People can experience a strong sense of discouragement when they feel like their desires are not being fulfilled. This feeling can be overwhelming and result in a lack of motivation to pursue their goals. However, it is important to recognize that creation already exists, and what they desire is already in existence in this multiverse. It can be easy to become overly focused on the physical world and only pay attention to what can be seen, touched, and tasted. Nevertheless, the reality is that there is much more to the universe than what we can perceive with our senses. Being aware of what one wants means that it already exists, even if it has not yet materialized. A common mistake people make is thinking that they have to create what they want out of nothing. However, creation is already finished, and our job is to align with the vibrational energy of having it. Once we can assume the feeling of already having our desire, it can come to fruition in as little as 3 days. It is important to note that we should not sit back and do nothing. Our thoughts and actions play a significant role in bringing about our desires. We must take inspired action and have faith that what we want is already in existence. One of the most challenging aspects of this process is letting go of limiting beliefs. Many people have been told throughout their lives that they cannot have what they want or that their goals are not possible. These beliefs are not reality and must be released. We must believe that we are the dominant power in our reality and that there is nothing that we cannot do or have. It is crucial to understand that time is a human construct and that everything exists in the here and now. We do not have to live within the confines of realistic timelines or even within the confines of time itself. We are powerful creators, and we can collapse time and space to bring about significant manifestations in our lives. By choosing to focus on what we want and letting go of limiting beliefs, our desires and goals do not have to take a long time, and we do not have to be realistic. We have the power to manifest what we want today if we choose to believe and take inspired action. Now, I would like to put a quote from Neville Goddard that shows how you can manifest in just 3 days or less. The Bible gives it as 3 days. The duration is 3 days for a response in this world. If I would now assume I am what I want to be, and if I am faithful to it and walk as though I were, The very longest stretch given for its realization is 3 days. If there is something tonight that you want in this world, then experience it in imagination. What you would experience in the flesh were you to realize your goal and deafen your ears and blind your eyes to all that denies the reality of your assumption. What Neville here says is that you must tune out anything in your physical reality that would deny the existence of your desire. You do not give any importance or meaning to circumstances because true reality lies within your imagination. Now I will break down the 5 steps that you must do to manifest in just 3 days or less. Step 1. Let go of the chaos. When it comes to manifesting, it's easy to get caught up in trying to manifest too many things at once. However, this can be counterproductive and lead to a lack of focus and scattered energy. The first step is to let go of the chaos and commit to manifesting a single desire. You can do this by taking some time to reflect on what you truly desire and what you want to manifest. Write it down and focus on it. Allow yourself to become fully absorbed in the idea of having that desire, feeling it as if it's already present in your life. This will help you let go of any other desires or distractions and focus on what you truly want. Once you've identified your desire, choose one manifestation technique and stick with it. This will help you to avoid the temptation to try different techniques or methods, which can keep you scattered and prevent you from achieving your goal. Step 2. Select an I am affirmation. Your I am affirmation is a statement that implies you already have what you desire. It should be in the present tense and elicit the feeling of already having what you want. Take some time to reflect on what resonates with you and choose a statement that aligns with your desire. For example, if you want to manifest wealth, your affirmation might be, I am wealthy and abundant. If you want to manifest a healthy body, your affirmation might be, I am healthy and vibrant. Once you've chosen your affirmation, repeat it to yourself throughout the day. Use it as a gentle reminder to your subconscious mind that this is your new reality. Step 3. Maintain the affirmation throughout your day. In addition to repeating your affirmation, it's important to incorporate it naturally into your daily routine. You don't want to force it, but rather use it as a way to keep your focus on your desired outcome. For example, you could write your affirmation on a sticky note and place it on your computer or mirror. Or you could say it to yourself every time you walk through a specific doorway. The goal is to make it a natural part of your day, so it becomes ingrained in your subconscious mind. Step 4. Practice and have faith. Manifesting your desires requires persistence, practice, and faith. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to believe that what you want is already true and happening in your life. Therefore, it is crucial to practice regularly and have unwavering faith that your desire is already present in your reality. One effective technique for practicing and strengthening your beliefs is to use affirmations and visualization. Repeat your affirmations several times each day, focusing your mind on your intention and the feeling of already having your desire. Additionally, use visualization to create a vivid image of yourself in the situation you desire. Use all of your senses to imagine the scene, feel the emotions, and believe that it is already happening. As you practice regularly, you will begin to notice a shift in your mindset and attitude toward your desire. You will become more focused and determined, and your confidence will increase. As a result, your vibration will start to match the frequency of your desire, attracting it into your reality. However, it is important to have faith and trust in the process. You must trust that your desire is already present in your reality, even if you cannot see it yet. Do not let doubts and negative thoughts creep in, as they can sabotage your progress. Instead, remain positive, focused, and determined in your practice, and have faith that what you want is already yours. Step 5. Preparing yourself to receive your desire. When it comes to manifestation, it is not enough to simply desire something. You must also prepare yourself to receive it. This means creating the right conditions for your desire to manifest and aligning yourself with the frequency of your desired outcome. To prepare yourself to receive your desire, you must begin by creating space for it in your life. This can be as simple as decluttering your physical space to make room for new things to come in. When you remove the physical clutter, you also remove mental clutter, making it easier for you to focus on your desire and visualize its manifestation. In addition to creating space, you must also take action to align yourself with your desires. This means participating in activities and behaviors that are in line with your desired outcome. For example, if you want to manifest a new job, start dressing as if you already have it and participating in activities that align with the career you want to pursue. This will help you to create the energy and mindset necessary to attract the right opportunities. Likewise, if you want to manifest a relationship, you must make space in your life for that person. This may mean making time in your schedule for social events and activities or clearing emotional blocks that may be preventing you from connecting with others. You can also start participating in activities that align with your vision of a perfect relationship, such as taking dance classes or attending social events where you can meet like-minded people. To manifest your desire quickly and fully embody its state, it's essential to consistently follow these 5 steps in exact order. Each step is vital, and a key to their effectiveness is to feel the experience of having your desire. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.